Hi all, my name is Nimisha Agrawal and I am a PGDM student from LBS IIM Delhi. I am pursuing my internship in InnoServe Solutions right now. I joined InnoServe because it is a digital marketing firm, and the one very unique thing which I find in my interview during my interview was the HR, the recruiter himself was so excited about the project, about coming up with the internship and all. He explained me everything so well, like we are not that big company, but then we promise you that you will have all your learnings. This affected me a lot, and that is why I joined this organization. When I came up here, the expectations was like I am going in a startup. I would got the opportunity to do everything by my own from the starting till the end. That is what happened here. Initially, when we come on the first very day, the directors themselves came and explained each and every single project and how much important it is for them also. So this thing motivated me a lot. Later on, they were not like whatever project we have decided for you, you have to do that only. They asked us what are your preferences, and based on that we were assigned projects. And I was assigned a project Sun, social media usage by NGO. This is my interest area, and I think I've learned a lot in that project from the very starting, from the secondary research to the report making, and in between the digital marketing modules. In that I learned a lot, and they've given the opportunity to do everything by my own, so that now I have the ability to say that I know length and breadth of my project, each and everything. So I think I've got a good learning experience from here. Moreover, I was quite fortunate enough to have the most experienced mentor in the whole organization, Mr. Devendra Kuntambekar. He's like a father figure, and he guided us very properly. I mean, not at the professional level only. He was telling us the things we need to employ in our lives at a personal level as well. So, which I think was quite helpful as a person to grow also. So I would like to thank Kuntambekar sir and also Nimil sir and Rahul sir for giving me this opportunity. Also, I would like to thank Mr. Ashish Tamecha for giving us digital marketing lessons, because we are working in a digital marketing firm, so they ensure that we should learn these things from their own part. So I'm quite thankful to them. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Nimil sir to giving a non-IIM person an opportunity to come to their organization and serve them, because this is the first time they are hiring a non-IIM person, and I think I have served them, and I have completed the project up to their expectations. Thanks a lot.